National President Jong Seng NPP Konrad K Sangma ula pentip baka Seng Jong kala Weng no ya Jingkyrshan Jongka na ka Sorkar Manipur ka ba Hapoh Jingïalam Jong N Biren Singh kat ba kadang yai beteng pat banya trei bat ka senrop National Democratic Alliance NDA Hapoh Jingïalam Jong ka Seng BJP ha ka Sorkar kemi ka Seng National People's Party ka badon nyongut ki MLA kadai ka senrop ka bawan baar ha ka Jingbun Brieu Hapoh ka Sorkar Manipur Bayalam ka Seng BJP. Hakaba kalaray ban Weng no yaladi na kalyang sensyar ha Manipur. Ya kani karay lashim hadin baka Sorkar kam syam lala ban wanra ya kasuk kasan ha katay kajala kaba penpau ya kajing kuslay jingmud kaba jur jong kani ka Seng ha kaba yaday bat kajing long jingman ha katay kajala.
We have withdrawn our support to the Biren Singh-led government. So it is very specific to him, to the individual. If we see that there's a change in the leadership, and if we see that there's a positive step forward, and if we see that there is a plan to move forward to find resolution, and we can constructively cooperate and contribute to ensuring that the peace and the normalcy will return, then we are happy to be working. But we'll see the situation. It's difficult to say right now. So specifically saying it's right now it's the Biren Singh-led government, which we strongly feel our party leaders, our MLAs from Manipur, our state committee from Manipur strongly feels that we as a party have lost confidence.